Do you suffer from arthritis? If so, you should be avoiding these foods. Did you know that making the right choices in your diet can help relieve joint pain? The pain whenever you move that starts getting worse and worse as time goes on until it even hurts to get up out of a chair is caused by an inflammation of your joints. These inflammations can be caused by some type of injury or chronic condition such as arthritis, osteoporosis, or even tendinitis, among others. Sometimes they disappear by themselves and flare up here and there in different intensities. Suffering from these chronic illnesses decreases your quality of life, especially when it affects your ability to do everyday tasks that once seemed simple. Rheumatoid arthritis is a chronic inflammatory disease that causes pain in various joints of the body. A cure has not yet been discovered. If you suffer from this problem, you should know that your diet is also important to keep the symptoms of rheumatoid arthritis under control. In today's video, we're going to talk about 5 foods that you should avoid at all costs. 1. Dairy products. Milk and its derivatives are not the best food for people with joint problems since they contain a type of protein called casein that can increase the inflammation and pain in the affected area. 2. Processed meats. Processed meat contains nitrates and purines, chemical elements that increase inflammation in the body. They are also rich in toxins which can have the same effect. 3. Corn. Fresh or processed, this common vegetable contains a large amount of omega-6 fatty acids which increase inflammation. 4. Refined sugar. These types of sugar release an inflammatory agent in the body called cytokine. They can also lead to weight gain, which places more pressure on the joints, increasing the pain. Avoid sodas, juices, sweets, and any other product with artificial sugar. 5. Flour and refined grains. Since they have a high glycemic index, they stimulate inflammation. According to studies, consuming wheat products or cereal grains daily can cause chronic inflammation and autoimmune diseases, and even increase the risk of degenerative diseases such as cancer, heart disease, and diabetes. In addition to these foods, coffee, eggs, processed foods, and alcohol should also be avoided. Since your menu will decrease in size, here are 5 beneficial foods for those who suffer with this problem. 1. Flaxseed. 2 major components of flaxseed are linolenic acid, ALA, and lignans, which help reduce inflammation. Flaxseed is excellent for anyone who suffers from arthritis and can even help fight heart disease and cancer. 2. Salmon. This fish is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin D, and protein, which supports the cartilage in your joints. 3. Green vegetables. Broccoli, spinach, kale, zucchini, arugula, and chard are sources of antioxidants such as vitamins A, C, and K. Because they are rich in calcium, they also help protect our bones. 4. Pineapple. This fruit is rich in antioxidants, vitamin C, and bromelain, which helps reduce inflammation. 5. Lentils. They're rich in folate, protein, fiber, and vitamin B6, among other nutrients, so they're great at protecting our body against arthritis. In addition to these foods, ginger and garlic are great for people who have arthritis because they offer strong anti-inflammatory properties that can help combat the pain of arthritis, helping restore the balance of the whole person. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.